Steph is back tonight. We're all excited. I'm sure everybody in the stands are going to be excited.
Steph Curry is back tonight.
Warriors-Pelicans Game 2 of the Western Conference semifinals featuring the return of Stephen Curry, and it was a triumphant return. 28 points in 27 minutes of work. Kevin Durant delivering a game-high 29 points to the effort, and Draymond Green with 20 points, 12 assists, and 9 rebounds as the Warriors take a 2-0 lead in the series with a 121-116 win.
I would say it played out as I expected. I knew I would play him more than what we planned. I think we planned on 24, and he got to 27. But he was, he was Steph. He doesn't take long to warm up, that's for sure.
It felt great. Real eager as of late, trying to get back out there and be with my teammates and do what I love to do. So to get back out there on the floor, play some playoff basketball, and get a big win tonight. It was huge. It was a good feeling. The crowd was crazy, and obviously we did what we needed to do in these first 2 games, going up 2-0, and we got to have our game travel to New Orleans.
And now this series shifts to New Orleans for games 3 and 4, and all throughout the playoffs, we have several ways for you to hear Warriors Sound. The radio button in the top right corner of the Warriors team app will get you Warriors Sound 24/7, as will our homepage at warriors.com/sound. Plus, podcasts in the Apple Podcast app and in the iTunes Music Store are ready to download.
And we wrap things up with a behind-the-scenes look at tonight's Game 2 victory.
Just us. 1, 2, 3. Just us.
Yeah, very tough. We knew that team would come out and fight. And we beat them by 20-something points, and that's a team with pride. That's a great basketball club. They came out and they gave us a great game. We were able to make plays down the stretch to pull it out. But we know going there is going to be even tougher.
I'm Lawrence Scott, and this is Warriors Sound.